Hi friends, this is Pat here, and I'm taking a walk. It's a beautiful, a little bit chilly, beautiful winter day in Oregon, Pacific Northwest area, and I'm walking along the river. We have a beautiful river trail to walk around, and I bike here. I go all through town here, just follows the river, and it's wonderful. So today I thought I would talk about something that has been on my mind because some of my friends are going in for a total knee replacement, and they've always asked me for advice because just July of 2024, I did a total knee replacement and I had fears, and they don't really address your fears very clearly. Maybe they don't want you to get too panicked if they tell you everything, but don't worry about your fears. I had fear of surgery, fear of pain afterwards and recovery, fear if I'd ever really walk correctly, and I should not have had those. It's not going to happen. All your fears are going to be satisfied to your... Oh, bicycles just passed by. I thought I'd better not say anything. I'm going to trip on my face. Don't worry about your fears. It's going to be all right. It's the most fabulous thing I ever did. Sure, at first, when you come out, they actually make you get up and start walking right away. So, there you go. They expect you to be more active. So, I had swelling, and swelling was relieved with elevating my leg, putting ice on my leg. I had the freezer filled with bags of peas and ice packs, and we just kept rotating them. And eventually, as the swelling went down, the pain subsided, or the discomfort. And at first, it's like your knee fighting. There's something new in your body, and it's like it's having an argument with itself. That slowly goes away. And what really helped was when I finally started going to my physical therapist. Now, what you want to do is get an appointment with your physical therapist, find one or have the doctor recommend one, and before your surgery. So you're set to go right in. You don't want to wait too long. You don't want those muscles to get kind of tight. So that was an experience because in physical therapy, they bend your leg and stretch your muscles in ways probably you haven't done for a while because your leg's been sore or your knee's been sore and you haven't walked as much as you used to or been as active as you used to. So follow everything your physical therapist says and practice those exercises at home. It's very important, and you'll progress a lot faster. I'm willing to do a more in-depth video on total knee replacement. If you have any questions, put them down below, and we could do a whole other session a little bit longer, and you can ask me some questions. I can get more in-depth. Really don't know what you want to know. I just want to tell you that it is the most wonderful thing in the world. It was hard to do steps. It was hard to go hiking. It's hard to ride my bike. I'm a very active person. I am out. I was out all the time, almost every other day on my bike, going several miles. I live in an area where the trails are available everywhere. You can go from town to town. So I really missed that. And at about 2.5 months after surgery, I was still sore going up and down the steps, and I thought, is this going to work? And now, 6 months after surgery, I'm running up and down those steps as if nothing happened. So it's going to happen. It's a whole new life. It's just wonderful. So if you have any fears, I understand them, but don't worry about them. And so hit like, click subscribe so we don't miss anything. We have a lot to talk about. Over 50, we've got a lot to talk about. I'm in my 70s, so let's chat. So look forward to next time, and hopefully it'll be a little sunny and warmer. We'll see what happens here. Bye for now.